Well, hello there and welcome to video number 2, day number 1. This segment's only going to take you about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Very quick and easy, but yet still very important. So what I've done is I've started off by typing out my web address into my browser box at the top, www.whateveryourwebaddress.com. After the .com, you're going to put a /wp-admin. So again, you're going to have a /wp-admin after your .com. That will bring you to a page similar to what we're looking at here. This is your login screen, and it's going to ask for your username as well as your password. Now, your username and password should have been provided to you. You should have copied that down when you installed WordPress just a few moments ago. Also, a confirmation email should have been sent to you within about 5 minutes. So please check your inbox. If you forgot your username and password, typically the username is by default admin, and then you had a password that was something that you're going to want to change once we successfully log in. But go ahead and copy and paste that password, and you're going to click the login box. Now that's going to bring you to this page here. We're looking at your WordPress backend. This is your admin panel. This is where you control everything from the text to the look and feel of your website, performance, plugins, everything. Now it looks like we have a whole lot going on here, but we're going to really simplify things here for you. It's not going to be difficult, so we're going to go straight to those features and functions that we want to edit right from the get-go. In the top right corner, you're going to see the words Howdy Admin, and you're going to hover your icon over here and you're going to click Edit My Profile. Once you get to the profile page, you're going to be able to change your first and last name. Okay, so this is every time you post to your site, what nickname do you want it to use? You can pop that here. What display name do you want it to use? Your email address. All of these things can be edited, but most importantly, we're going to come down to the very bottom of this page where it says New Password, and you want to add a new, easy to remember password here. You're going to add it twice. You're going to enter it once. It's going to ask you to type your password again to verify you have it correct. Then you're going to click Update Profile. We're going to make it more difficult for the hackers by using a combination of numbers, letters, uppercase, and lowercase. So again, enter that twice, click Update, and you're ready to move on. We're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to hover our icon over the Settings tab on the far left sidebar here. And we're going to go to your privacy settings. This is your site visibility. We just want to do a quick visual check to make sure that this top option is selected to allow search engines to index this site. Sometimes, for whatever reason, I found individuals who their default setting was set to basically block the search engines. That's not what we want. That's obviously a very bad thing. We're just going to do a visual check, make sure that you have it, the top option selected, allow search engines to index the site, and click Save Changes, just to verify. It's better to be safe than to waste time. Next, we're going to look to your left-hand sidebar again, and underneath your Settings tab, you're going to see an option here that says Permalinks. We're going to click on this option, and when you get to your Permalinks page, it's going to say Common Settings at the top, and you're going to see that the Default tab is selected right here on the top. What I want you to do is select this bottom option here that says Custom Structure. Now under Custom Structure, you have this little box here to the right, and what I want you to type out is the code that we have here. I'm going to display this larger on the screen. If you need to pause to write this down, go ahead and do so now. But what we have here is /% and then the word year, %, slash, another %, post name, %, slash. So again, you have that on the screen there. Go ahead and write that down. There are no spaces at all. Now what we're doing here is we're optimizing performance as well as the SEO of your website. I'm going to tell you in one of our later videos why this is so important to your SEO and why this also gives a nice boost to your website performance as your website gets larger. So you don't need to know why it works right now. All you need to do is just know that it does and enter this code right here under custom structure, and then you're going to click Save Changes. We have one more little tiny tweak here. The left-hand sidebar, you're going to click where it says Settings, and you're going to wait for the Discussion tab to pop down. Under this Discussion tab, you're going to click this option down here towards the bottom where it says Before a comment appears, an administrator must always approve the comment. Okay? Again, you're clicking the option where it says Before a comment appears, an administrator must always approve the comment. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now, what are we doing here? Well, this is in relation to the blog that comes attached to your website now. Lots and lots of people can make comments, and sometimes you have comments that you would rather not appear in public, or maybe using foul language, or trying to push spammy websites, online gambling, drugs, whatever the case may be. And you don't want those comments just appearing on your site without your knowledge. So by checking this option, you're protecting yourself. You're telling the website to automatically put them in hold mode, meaning they don't go live, and it must wait for your approval before those comments can go live. That's what you want. Scroll down to the bottom, Save Changes, and now you're done with video number 2. So congratulations, you now have your basic settings tweaked and modified, and you're ready to go to your final video for today. Again, just a couple of quick minutes on your final video, and then you're done. I'll see you in the next video.